Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video you can see how to add end screen on YouTube videos. So let's begin. So first of all you go to your channel and click your channel. And go to manage videos. And go to create, click create. Upload videos, click. Select files. I am adding my videos. You cannot see my videos. Video title, how to create a YouTube channel. In this video I am show you how to create a YouTube channel. Select thumbnail. Go to next. No, it's not made for kids. Add an end screen. Add. First of all you go to element, go to video and choose specific video from your videos. I am select how to YouTube channel searchable. It is my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Go to subscribe. It's all set. And save. If you are enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.